How you doing? I'm Ben Gaffney from Lyman Orchards. Today we're making Lyman's signature hummus. The ingredients are chickpeas, tahini paste, which is ground sesame seeds, garlic powder, salt, lemons, red onion, extra virgin olive oil, and some curly parsley. We're gonna now puree up the chickpeas, onions, and all this stuff mixed together. All right, now we're gonna chop up the parsley and add the last of the olive oil. Only gonna need about half of this, so it should be nice and easy. Mix it in, that's the olive oil. Just fold all this parsley in and it's ready to go. This is actually a hummus recipe that I learned while I was living in Angola, Africa. Had a Lebanese grocer that I befriended, and he showed me this recipe and I've been using it ever since. One of the things I love to do with the hummus is put it on some of our homemade flatbread. There we go.